Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's video, we are going to be learning whether we can change our username on eToro or not. Without beating around the bush, let me straightforwardly tell you that eToro does not allow users to change their usernames directly. Your current username cannot be changed into a new one. If you want to change your username, then you will need to create a new account with a different email address and a new username. If you want to change your username, then the only option you have is to close your current account and create a new one. In order to close your account, you can go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left from the home screen of eToro. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account, and from the Accounts tab, go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on Close your eToro account and follow through the instructions. Once you close your account, sign up with a new email address and choose your desired username, and that is the only way you will be able to change your username on eToro, since there is no straightforward way to do so. But also, you will need to know that creating a new account means you will lose your trading history and statistics from your old account. If you have any specific concerns or need further assistance, you can always contact the eToro's customer support, since they can provide you more detailed guidance. Having said that, I'm going to say goodbye to you in today's video. If you found the video to be helpful at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and press the notification bell so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next video. Goodbye till then.